This video is for number 46, You Are My Sunshine. In this song, you're playing chords and strumming. So the chords we're going to use are F, like so. First finger on your E string on the note F, and your second finger on your A string on the note A. And then you're going to go to B flat. So when you go to B flat, one thing you should be doing is taking your whole arm and pulling it back so your kind of wrist rotates. By doing that, you're going from an F right there to smooshing two notes, two strings with the same finger. So that's one quick motion. You don't need to like pick up and readjust. So try going from F with your thumb and your pointer finger pinching directly up across from each other here, and then just pull back and let that finger flatten. That should give a decent sound. Not a great sound, but a decent sound is all we're really going for on this B flat, because this is called barring a chord, and barring chords is always a little messy, especially if you have fingers like mine that are super bony and they just don't have enough squish to press. So there you go, there's your two notes there. Then you're gonna add your second finger on your C string on the note D, and your third finger on your G string on A sharp, B flat. So mine's getting a little thunk down there. I'm just gonna adjust my finger towards the fret to get a better sound. If my finger's too far away from the fret, it goes thunk for sure. So bringing that as close as I can to there. I'm really just checking all my fingers for a good sound. I have to press quite hard with this finger in order to get it to make a good chord noise. I do rotate my hands a little bit, much like we did G7. We kind of rotated our wrist up. I do rotate mine a little bit as I get here because it helps push my fingers towards the fret if I have a little rotation on them, like this. All right, so we go from F to B flat, and then F to B flat, and then F to C7. So when you go from F to C7, take a look at this finger right here. There's your F chord. You're gonna pull back and let it rotate away from your C string so that it's really only pressing the note you need for C7. So between all three of these chords, you've got F pointing, B flat flat across these two, to C7 kind of pulled back even further, so it's only touching the one string. So within that, you don't have to move a ton. You can really just micromanage that a little bit. All right, and back to F. The strumming pattern for this one has a swing pattern. So we're gonna go longs and shorts. We're gonna use our down ups in this manner. We're gonna go down with a long note, down again, a long one. And then we're gonna go short up, long down again. So that's to start, long, long, short, long. After that, all you really have to do is think about long, short, long on repeat. So just play long, short, long. We have long, short, long. Do it again. Long, short, long. Again. Long, short, long. 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 I start with two longs at the beginning, and then that's all I think about after that. So we have long, long, there's your two. Short, long, long, short, long. Long, short, long. Long, short, long. So it should feel much like a horse walking along, where they kind of have a little longer stride, short stride matching up because they have four legs. So there you go. So in this part, we are going to, in the song, we're going to sing You Are My Sunshine. Starts on a C. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. last one ring. Okay, so give that a shot, guys. Doesn't have to be super fast, but you do have to get that even strumming pattern going with the swing beat. You don't have to sing either. You just play along to the track. So I'll sing for you, or you'll hear the melody played in the track, and that will help carry you through. Think about what the words are so that you match up exactly when your chords change, and always work on changing your chords right before they're officially supposed to happen. So for example, the first B flat happens at "You Make Me Happy," right? On the hap, it's supposed to change. So we're on F, "You make me," and I have to get there right on hap. I'm gonna always work on changing a little bit sooner. So if you haven't got B flat in your hand very well yet, think about 2 syllables before it's supposed to happen. So "make me" is 2 syllables. "You make me," right? On "make me," I'm gonna start shifting. "You make me," getting to that B flat. So that hap hopefully gets a clean sound, because the downbeat, the very beginning of every measure, is the most important for establishing what chord we're supposed to be hearing. You don't want to have fumbles on beat 1. Fumble on beat 4 right before 1. We will forgive you for that. Okay? Good luck, guys.